So here is a phase diagram. You'll notice that in certain pressure and temperature, there's going to be I'll say this is maybe a solid. So at a certain temperature and pressure, this you can't see it, but it's actually temperature. It's going to be, say, in this quadrant, it's going to be a solid. So at this temperature and at this pressure, it's going to be a solid, or it could be, yeah, so it'll be a solid at this temperature and this pressure. And say this point here, at this pressure here, somewhere down here, and this temperature, it'll be a gas. Now at this temperature over here, and this pressure, it'll be a liquid. But there's one point where all of them are all like, they can all of it can exist, and that's the triple point. That's this point here in the middle. So that's one thing to get it over with. Another more important one is if you look at this diagram, you'll notice it's the same thing. It's the same thing as a triple point, except it's a little bit more, I guess, a little bit more easier to look at, to see it. You can see it's like a little butterfly design over here. And if you put the line straight in the middle of the butterfly, this quadrant here is solid, this quadrant here is liquid, and this part here is all, well, temperature. Okay, another thing you should keep in mind is critical temperature. Critical temperature, as you will see, is the point where this vapor becomes a critical temperature is basically the point where this liquid here and this vapor, like you'll see there's like this little point here, it's basically the boundary where a certain temperature, when it gets to a certain pressure, it'll become, the vapor might become a liquid, or a liquid will become a vapor. So a vapor, liquid usually becoming a vapor makes more sense. Same thing with critical pressure. It's the point where this liquid will become a vapor.